This is Gurjeet Kaur from Department of Commerce, University of Jammu. Today I shall discuss with you what is marketing research and what is the process of marketing research. So before talking about the marketing research, first of all let us try to understand what is research. This term research has been interpreted in two different ways. One is to search out something new. New means something which has never been done in the past. Something which has never been done in the past. The other interpretation which is attached to the term research is to search something again, which means replication of the study. Now, when we talk about research, in context to social sciences, in context to behavioral science, in context to management also, research is basically searching something again and again. Why we have to search something again and again? It is because the attitude of the people changes, the behavior of the people changes, the perception of the people changes. Overall, the outlook of the people towards the life, towards various phenomena, towards the environment, it keeps changing. That's why we have to understand that what are the perceptions of the people towards a particular phenomenon. What are their attitudes? Why the people behave in a particular manner? Because of the advancement in the technology, because of the changes in the environment is very dynamic. Because of the changes in the environment, because the situation keeps changing, because so many natural disasters are taking place, so you would always find that there are changes in the minds of the people. As a result of which, because the experiences of the people, as the experiences of the people change, you would always find that there are changes in their perceptions towards any phenomenon, towards any situation, towards any product or service, towards any event. Their attitude also changes accordingly, and their behavior also change as a result of change in their attitude. So because the management is basically concerned with understanding the psychology of the consumers, of the employees, of the managers. So we management researchers, we keep on undertaking new research, which means we are searching again and again. We are looking into why there are changes in the perceptions, in the attitude, and in the behavior and future intentions of the people. Now, when I say people, in people, we talk about the consumers or customers, we talk about the employees, we also talk about the management, we talk about the board of directors, we talk about the different stakeholders. It could be the government officials also. We talk about the society at large. We talk about the community also. So, for us, what is research? Research is to search out something new. Why we say it is something new? Because we are trying to analyze the changes which are taking place in the market. As a marketing student, you should try to understand what is, first of all, marketing. Marketing is a process of analyzing the changes in the needs, wants, expectations, requirements of the customers and other stakeholders as well. So these are the changes which are taking place in the market, and the market comprises of various stakeholders. Beside customers, competitors, we do have the government as a stakeholder. So we also have the channel members, supply chain members, call them as channel members. We also have the suppliers also. So there are different stakeholders in the market. because we have experienced, we are facing that the market is dynamic, it is ever changing. So because the environment changes, as a result of which the expectations of every stakeholder towards the expectations of these stakeholders from the company, it keeps changing. In order to fulfill, in order to cater to the needs, wants, expectations of different stakeholders, so companies, they keep on undertaking new and new research. They keep on searching out what are the expectations of the customers. Now, because of the introduction of information and technology, because in this era of advanced or boom in the technology, the expectations of the customers, they are changing rapidly. Whatsoever they expected in 2015, now you would find there is a sea change in their expectations. What in 2015, the consumers, they were reluctant to buy the products online. I am talking in Indian context. They were reluctant to buy by using the online mode. But now people, they rely only on the online mode. So there is a change in their attitude. There is a change in their perception. There is a change in their behavior. Why is it this change? It is because the change is because of their higher and higher expectations, and as a result of which the companies, they have also tried to meet their expectations. Now, when you talk about the marketing research is basically searching out, analyzing. In other words, you can say it is a process of analyzing and capturing the changes in the mindset of customers, of employees, of managers. So when you have to capture the changes, this process of capturing the changes, it includes that what are the changes which have taken place in the perception of the customers, the employees, and the managers. Why are they perceiving the things differently? What has made them to change their mindset? Why their perception or why their outlook towards the product, towards the services has changed? And what are their new expectations from the company? In order to understand the new expectations, the latest requirements of the customers from the company's offerings in the form of products or services, companies conduct marketing research. So marketing research is basically understanding what are the expectations of the customers from the company and then trying to fulfill those expectations. Those expectations more efficiently and effectively than the competitors. So normally the companies, they face the problem in the management decision making. Most of the companies, they face problem in the decision making. Why? Because when they confront alternatives, when there are alternatives before them, when one problem has different solutions and company faces a problem of the company is in dilemma of selecting the best alternative. So this is a situation which companies, they face day in and day out. Why? Because the managers, they have to make the decisions. And this problem of decision making, this problem occurs only when they have alternatives before them, when they have different options before them. Now, because they have to select the best option available to them, keeping into consideration the various resources and capabilities they have. So, likewise, certain management decision problems are such which cannot be resolved within the organizational boundaries. For that, the organization has to conduct the research because this problem pertains to the customer, because this problem pertains to the stakeholders who reside in the market. More particularly, marketers are concerned with understanding the requirements, the needs, the wants of the customers, so that organization can take appropriate decisions to provide solution to those problems and to fulfill the requirements, the new expectations of the customers.